I've been doing MIG and TIG for about 20 years.
Okay, yeah.
Laser welding is quite new to me. It's impressive, it's fast, there's minimal to no cleanup required. You're not dressing welds, you're not taking spatter off, and it's just a lot quicker. There's less distortion in it. I think there's a lot of benefits when you're doing high volume. Like you say, there's no dressing, it's quick. You're not distorting any part, so it can move on to the next person in the production line.